Okay, Dustin, so here I'm going to put this little quick video together for you on how to do this. I'm not going to edit this video much though, but what we've got is we've got your balance board right here, your charger right here, your charging cable, sorry, this charging cable, not this one, sorry, this one with the XT60 on the bottom, this cable that came with it, and then here is a Sugar Rush 3S, right? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to basically take your charging cable here, and you're going to locate the side of your charger right here and go ahead and just plug it in. All right, and make sure you've got your balance charger, your balance board, distribution board plugged into here. And you're gonna see right here where it says, you're gonna see right here on the side, it says 2S and then 3S, and yours is a 3S, so you're gonna go ahead and plug this right into 3S, all right? And you're gonna go ahead and plug your battery in like that. And then you basically end up with something that kind of looks, well, we'll try to make it stand up. It kind of looks like that, right? So now this is an LI. If you have this Sugar Rush, it's a high voltage, not a LiPo, but a LiPo high voltage. So we call it LiHV. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click start, and when you click start again, it's going to start blinking here, and you're doing a 3S. So up arrow to 3S. Press start again. Your battery is a 1500. So scroll all the way down till you get to 1500, which is going to set here. Okay. And when you do that again, it's going to ask you for your charge amperage, and the charge amperage is going to be 1.5, so that's good. So now everything looks good, right? The only thing is we need to change your battery type. So let's go ahead and press right here your stop button, and you're gonna press it until you see LiHV. LiHV. Then go ahead and hit start. Now you've got LiHV, and you're doing a balance charge. So your options are storage, discharge, charge, balance charge. Balance charge means it takes each cell. And that's how you have to charge these batteries, is balance charge. So it needs to say LiHV, balance charge. Go ahead and press start, change that back to 3S. Press start again and drop this back down to 1500. And hit start. And then you're gonna get to the 1.5 amp blinking here. And then hold the start button down. That's warning number 1 right here. It says never charge a LiPo like an HV. That's fine. Press it again, hold it. Failure may result in fire. That's your second warning that it's telling you. Make sure you're running a high voltage battery. Hold enter again. Third one says check your battery and it starts. That's your current voltage. This is your amperage charge, and this is how long it's taking. Keep an eye on this. Don't leave this unattended, and that's how you charge your battery.